Hey guys, it's Jennifer. How are we feeling? I feel like my whiskers are a little out of whack, but this is such a classic costume. This is such an easy costume makeup to do. You don't really have to buy anything extra other than some cat ears, which I've had my cat ears for a long time. I wear them very frequently in my regular YouTube videos to hold my hair back while I'm putting on my makeup. So I chose to wear like a floppy black shirt. You can wear pretty much anything you want with this. You can get different colored cat ears and incorporate it into your eye look. This is such a simple, classic costume. Like, it is so perfect. If you guys are excited to see this video or any of my other videos in 31 days of Halloween, please give it a big thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for a giveaway every 100 subscribers. Right now we are so close to 200 subscribers and it just seems unreal. But anyway, this was super fun. This was so easy. Well, all of it was easy but my whiskers. My whiskers and I had some problems. But other than that, this was super easy. This was so fun to create and I hope you guys all enjoy the video. Bye guys. So that is it for this look, guys. I hope you liked it. If you do recreate it, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see you guys. It'll be so much fun. My Instagram is always linked down below in the description box. So whiskers, not a strong suit. I do think this is still super cute. If I could redo it, I would just do 3 whiskers with them going straight out, like right here and going out. But other than that, I really like how this whole look came out. This is a super easy costume. I've had these cat ears for like a while, and really you can wear anything with it, but I mostly wear black, so you can always wear all black with your little whiskers, and it is so cute. This is such a classic costume. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, if you did, to give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, and we are so stinking close. But if we hit that during the month of October, my giveaway video will be going up in November, and I've already started buying some stuff for the new giveaway. So I will see you guys all tomorrow.